So, hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal relationship reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of April till the 3rd of May 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, definitely not your story. Don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the readings. And even if it is resonating 100% with you by some miracle, then also this is not your personal reading. Just take the messages as the guidance and move on, honey. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. So we have the Wheel of Fortune. This is someone who feels like destiny is going to decide, fate is going to decide, or let the tables turn in their favor so that something can shift or change. So their feelings, their energies towards you, towards the situation is changing. It is not what it used to be. It is completely different from what it used to be, right? Now it's changing and they are feeling like, okay, the fate, the destiny, the universe will decide. Let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune as their feelings for you. So we have the Knight of Wands, the Three of Cups, and the Hermit. Yes, this person is feeling like, okay, you guys had a really good time with each other. You guys share a really friendly kind of a bond with each other. This collaboration, this partnership, this bond between you and them really make them happy. But they're thinking about it in the long term now. Now their feelings are changing from just having fun, just a casual dating kind of a thing, to something serious, to something, okay, let me think about the future direction of the situation, what's going to happen next and what can happen next, what I can expect next from the situation. Okay, so their feelings are changing from what it used to be to a totally different kind of energy now, and they feel like, okay, everything is going to be revealed with time, but let me think about it, let me think about the future direction of the situation. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? The Hanged Man. From your side, you feel like you guys are stuck. You guys are trying to see the situation from a totally different angle, but you guys are feeling stuck in the situation, not able to move ahead, not able to leave it behind. So there is certain kind of stuckness along with this energy of, okay, let me try to see things from a totally different perspective or angle, and let's see what can happen next. Let's clarify the Hanged Man as your feelings for this particular person or situation. So we have the Nine of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups. Okay, now things are getting very very serious between you guys. You feel like this is your wish fulfillment, this is your desire fulfillment, that somebody should come forward towards you with some kind of offer of stability, commitment, or long term partnership kind of a deal. So you are feeling like you should take a chill pill and you should allow this person to enter in your space with something really meaning, with some kind of beautiful offer of commitment, happiness, and long term partnership kind of a deal. So you feel like the other person should come forward towards you. I don't think so. You are the one feeling like going towards someone, because you can sense their energy shifting, their energy is changing towards you, towards the situation. So you feel like let them come towards you. You should just take a chill pill, but you're feeling stuck also. Like, what if they're not going to come? What if this is going to happen? What if that is going to happen? But you're trying your best to see things from a totally different perspective. So it's like this energy of trying to be chill about something that you can't stop thinking about, not in a negative way, but from every possible angle, right? And you feel like keeping your energies open so that somebody can enter and offer you something really beautiful. Okay, so things are getting serious between you guys. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Knight of Pentacles. Their intention here is to take things really very, very, very slow. Their intention here is to make something grounded, make something stable and mature, but taking things really very, very slow, like one step in 10 years. That's their intention. Not literally, obviously, metamorphically. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles as their intentions. So we have the Seven of Wands and the Page of Swords and the Two of Pentacles. Yes, before they can come forward towards you, they want to be 1000% sure that they are making the right choice or making the right decision. And for making that decision, they need space. They want to go in their cave, they want to think about it, they want to see the situation from a distance, and they want to understand all the pros and cons and negatives and positives and everything about the situation. Then they want to make the right choice or right decision in this direction, because they don't want to make the wrong decision this time. Maybe they have done it before, so this time they want to make sure that they are making the right choice and right decision here. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? So we have the Four of Pentacles. From your side, you just want to hold on to something very, very tightly, like as if your life depends on this and you can't breathe if this person or this situation is not going to be here. So you want to hold on to something or someone very tightly. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles as your intentions. So we have the Death and Rebirth, the Emperor, and the Ace of Wands. You just want to end this stubbornness and you want to hold on to this belief that someday you guys are going to have a brand new beginning. Someday you guys are going to start from the start and everything is going to be really beautiful, really passionate, really meaningful, and your life is going to be very colorful with this person. For some of you, you want to use physical intimacy in order to keep this person around you. Very weird thing, but you want to hold on to this weapon as if it's a weapon. Most manipulative person do that. They use sex as a manipulative tool to keep someone hooked, right? I hope you're not doing that, but I'm getting that also for some of you. For others of you, you just want to end this stubbornness, that this ego game, this I'm not talking to you, we are not talking, we are not thinking kind of game, and holding on to this belief that everything is going to be fine if we are going to start fresh. Everything is going to be fine from that point onwards. You guys want to make sure that whatever you're holding on to is going to happen someday. Whatever vision, belief, outcome. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here, honey, till the 3rd of May, Pisces. So we have the Three of Cups here, like a collaboration, partnership, coming together, maybe coming back together, enjoying each other's company, having a lot of fun, having a lot of good time. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Cups as a potential outcome here, honey. So we have the Knight of Swords and the Six of Cups and the Lovers. Okay, now it has become a game of third party. So somebody here is leaving this, like running away from the situation towards something or someone from their past that they used to deal with, that they used to connect with. And right now, I don't see them making a final choice or decision between you and the past person or past energy. But for most of you, this person is kind of choosing the past person, past energy right now to deal with, because it seems comfortable, it seems familiar, it seems like, okay, let me go back in the past and let me see what I feel and what I think about it. And then I'm going to come back to Pisces and think about it from this clarity. So somebody is still stuck on their past. They might be feeling a really beautiful kind of energy between you and them, but they're still dealing with the past person, past situation. So they need their time, a lot of time, before they can make their final decision or choice in this direction. So they might end up running towards a past person, past situation, in order to understand whether that situation still matters to them, or or there is still something in that situation that they can work on, or that they can rely on, or you know go ahead with. And then after they are going to be like satisfied with this past person, past energy, that this is not happening or this is gone, then only they are going to think about coming towards you, and maybe moving to the next chapter of this connection, or just keeping you as a friend. So right now they are giving me this energy in the outcome. It can be you also, by the way, the roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind anytime in the reading, because this is a mutual reading, right? So one of you is going to run towards a past person, past situation, in order to understand whether this that past situation still matters, still is available, and you guys can still continue with that. If not, then you guys are going to think about this situation, whether to make it go to the next level, or keep it like a friendly kind of a deal. Cool, that's tough. Let's see what is the guidance for you guys for this week, Pisces. So we have the Queen of Wands, the High Priestess, the Nine of Pentacles. You guys, don't lose yourself in order to keep someone around you. Don't lose yourself, right? Keep your integrity, keep your self worth, and keep your self concept very, very clear. That if somebody is coming towards you naturally and organically, and they are choosing you, they are not playing games with you, they are not keeping you as an option, then you are ready to move forward. Otherwise, listen to your intuition, listen to your gut, and stay away from this thing. I'm not saying don't talk to this person ever. All I'm saying is, if you are getting serious about this person and they're not feeling the same for you for whatever reason, this is a time for them to release them, at least as a lover, if not as a friend, right? So choose yourself over this situation if something or someone is not able to choose you or make you the priority of their life the way they should, right? So this is the truth and the reality of the situation that I told you. Now, according to the situation, you guys have to figure out what you guys should do and what you guys should not do. But don't lose yourself in a situation where you might or might never get what you want. Hmm? Make sure you are going to have yourself at the end of the day to come back to. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. Pisces, this portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for this particular situation if you feel like. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Let's see. Okay, so the answer to your question is, listen to your intuition. Yes, your gut is going to tell you everything about the situation. Don't go against your intuition. When you pull the listen to your intuition card, you already know the answer that you are looking for. It's calling you to develop and nurture your intuition, what answers lie within. This is also one of the cards that might come up if you keep asking the same question over and over. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.